Imagine being able to build your own digital world, pixel by pixel, line of code by line of code. Welcome to the universe of front-end UI web components, where creativity meets technology. In this course, you'll dive into many projects, each designed to teach you a specific skill in website development. You'll learn to create interactive buttons, dynamic menus, and responsive layouts, all while mastering the art of coding. But it's not just about learning, it's about creating, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. You'll experiment with different styles, learn to solve complex problems, and by the end of the course, have a portfolio of impressive projects to show off. So, are you ready to turn your ideas into reality, to transform the abstract into the tangible, to create something that not just exists but lives on the web? This is your moment. This is your chance to step into the world of website development and make your mark. So why wait? The digital frontier is waiting for you. With each line of code, you're not just building a website, you're building your future.